Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get real-time market data in TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to tradingview.com and sign into our account. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto products and then click onto market data. So now we'll come to this page, markets, all of them, your single entry point for everything financial in real time. Now from here, we want to go ahead and scroll down and we're going to see data sources. So here we go. So as you can see, data source, and now these are the data sources. And to the right, we've got the real-time data and the delay data. So you can see here, NASDAQ is a 15-minute delay, real-time data of $5. Now we can also scroll down and click onto show all. So it's going to show all the data sources here, and they do this in alphabetical order from A to Z. Now, if you want to go ahead and subscribe to real-time markets, we can do that. So basically, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page here. So where is it here? So here we go. So you can stay up to date with all our data. So get any of our real-time data packages if you need them. So we can subscribe to the real-time markets if you want to go ahead down that route. So go ahead and click on subscribe to real-time data. Now they got a declaration of subscriber status, so go ahead and choose if you're non-professional, professional. So I'm going to do non-professional, and then scroll down, have a read, then click confirm. And then from here, we need to go ahead and sign up for one of these plans to get that real-time data sent to your emails or however you like, text. So we got essential, plus, premium, and ultimate packages. Now we can choose monthly and annually. So annually, you're going to save up to 17%.